In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to offer local pickup on Shopify. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a pickup option your customers can choose right at checkout, which is perfect if you have a physical store, a warehouse, or even a home base where people can collect their orders. Let's start from your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're logged in, look down to the lower left-hand corner of the screen and click on Settings. This is where most of your store's behind-the-scenes configuration happens. Inside the settings page, you'll see a menu running down the left side. From that list, find Shipping and Delivery and click it. This section controls how customers receive their orders, including shipping rates and, in our case, local pickup. On the Shipping and Delivery page, scroll down until you see a section called Pickup in Store. To turn this on, look to the right-hand side of that section and click the Setup button. This will open up the settings specifically for local pickup. You'll now see a list of your store locations. If you have only one location, you'll see that single address. If you have multiple locations, such as different stores or a warehouse, you'll see each of them listed. Click the location where you want to offer local pickup. You can repeat this process later for your other locations if needed. At the top of the page for this location, you'll see a card labeled Location Status. This is essentially the on and off switch for pickup at that specific place. Make sure the toggle on the right-hand side is turned on so that customers can actually select this location at checkout. Just below that, set the expected pickup time. Shopify usually gives options like ready in 1 hour, up to ready in 5+ days. Choose the option that most accurately reflects how quickly you can prepare orders. Being realistic here helps manage customer expectations and reduces support issues. Next, look for the option to transfer inventory from your other locations when this selected location is out of stock. Turning this on can help you avoid lost sales, because Shopify will allow fulfillment from another location even though the customer is picking up at this one. Just keep in mind, you'll need an internal process to move that stock in time for pickup. You'll also see a section to add a ready for pickup notification. This is the message customers receive when their order is actually ready to collect. Customize it with clear instructions, such as where to go when they arrive, what ID or order number they should bring, and any special pickup hours. Before you finish, scroll down to the bottom of the page and look at the checkout preview. This shows you what your customers will see when they choose local pickup, so you can confirm everything looks correct and makes sense. Once you're happy with the settings, go to the top of the page near the search bar and click Save. Saving is crucial. If you close the page or navigate away without doing this, your pickup option won't be activated. And that's it. You've now set up local pickup for your Shopify store, making it easier for nearby customers to get their orders quickly and conveniently.